Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Thursday. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Here we go. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Alright, this is for the Galaxy S10 Plus, or Galaxy 10 Plus. It is coming from Ainope. That's not the case what it looks like. I hope not. Designed for the smartphone. And we got the 10 Plus right here. Bada boom. So we shall see how easy it is to install. Alright, here we go. Come on. There we go. This is the clear case one they have. So enjoy your smart life. Search Ainope. It's right down there and top there. So here it is. I can get it out. Boom. Pretty durable. It should be good. And I'll put it on my phone. Ooh, nice. Look at that. You can see the back of it. Protects the camera. And I'm kind of nervous about that. In case you drop it. Kind of stops it. I got 14 days on the phone, so in case something happens, send it back. But it should be good though. This front. So really cool, easy to install, and now I feel a little safer carrying this phone out. And so you guys can get one at low cost. Check them out. Links will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a great day and see you soon. See ya.